Rest in peace, little girl. I don't know how smashed you are in there, but really bad. Really, really bad. I mean, these are steel bars. That's the windshield, and that's the rest of the roof. So, I mean, had I known it was this bad, I would have just moved the car out. But, you know, I didn't think about it. Rest in peace, girl. You will be missed. All right, so somehow there's not a crack. I don't understand how there's not, but wow, that's pretty cool. I mean, there's a crack that was there before that you can barely see. So yeah, all right, on to the back part. All right, and then somehow the back window is not cracked. Again, I don't know how, but it must be some really strong glass. That's just the messed up bubble tint things called. But yeah, car seems to be not hurt somehow. Thank God. But yep, that is all for now. I'm gonna cut this off and yeah. All right, so somehow, even though there was like 1,000 pounds worth of snow, she's still in okay shape. It was a miracle, everybody. Woohoo! Believe in miracles, because here's one right here. Yep.